Hello guys, my name is FKItzGeo, real name is Giorgio, but I am a game streamer and I normally do not do videos like this, so this video will be not very professional, but it can solve the issue I was having and can save you a lot of money. So I'm showing my screen because as you can see, when you complete this method, you're gonna have to re-download all your games and you're gonna have to re-sign in back in your PlayStation network. So this is the first step. I went here to settings. I went all the way down to here. I went all the way down to here. And I went to full. Once you click that, it's going to take about 2 hours. I think what it's doing is restoring the whole database in your PS4. That will make you have to re-sign in and, of course, re-download your games. It sucks, but it's better than losing your whole PS4 or spending a lot of money to get it fixed. And okay, here's the second method. So as you can see, this is my PS4 Pro. All I did was I took my hand on the side on this first line here, and you're gonna do this on both sides. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up on the system. Okay? So this method I found from another guy. He did this 3 years ago. But apparently it works in 2019. I do not know why. Maybe somebody in the comment can explain why we having to do this. But once you do this here, I don't know, man, it works. Apparently some people have just did this method right here, just, taking their finger and lifting up on the first line, and it fixed their PS4 without even having to do the first step I just showed you. But the reason why I showed you the first step, because that is the exact steps I took to get mine fixed. So I'm gonna end this video. Hopefully, leave a comment. Let me know if this worked for you guys. Like and subscribe if you're interested in gaming. Hey, check out some of my streaming videos, and hopefully, you can join the community of my fan base. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your PS4. Have a great day.